Roblox, an unexpected error occurred fix. First, go ahead and tap the Window and R button and go ahead and type app data and then click on OK. So go to the local option and then find the Roblox folder and then right click on it and then press the delete option. So next, click Window R again and then go to percentage temp percentage and here find the Roblox folder again and then right click on it and delete that folder as well. So next, go ahead and type Roblox on your search bar and then you'll see this uninstall option when you search for it, and just click on uninstall and then the app will be uninstalled, and then go ahead and reinstall it the correct way. So if this doesn't work, what you can do is right click on your Roblox app and then click on properties and then go to compatibility, and then you'll see the option of run this program as an administrator. So click on that and then click apply. So this is how to fix an unexpected error in Roblox.